Hey everybody, my name is Steve Gerardo. Welcome back to the Mobile Notary Network, and I declare this a State of the Union address, or something like that. It's we're just coming into March. Today, as I film this, regardless of when we release this, it's March 1st. And I'll tell you that the beginning of this year has been slow. I've heard it everywhere. I've seen it. I know it. So what do you do when it's slow? You learn, you read, you develop, you grow, you become. And you figure out how to supplement your income until you have enough business that flows in as a mobile notary, as a signing agent, or you're working for enough signing agencies. You work for plenty of escrow and title companies. You get all the loan docs you want. But until then, when it starts to dip, when it's a little slow, you have to learn, you have to read, you have to solicit, you have to market. You have to become. Your mobile notary business needs you. It's asking you to work for it. Always, if you want to know what your business needs you. It needs you to learn social media, how to work on Instagram, how to work on Facebook, how to work on Snapchat. I understand it seems crazy, it sounds crazy, it seems like too much, Steve, none of it's working. It works over time, just the way your business grows over time. The lesson of this video is to give it time. If you're growing your business, give it time. If you're growing your social media, give it time. How do you back this time? With efficiency, with effectiveness, most importantly, with commitment and consistency. You have to believe in commitment and consistency. If you don't commit, if you're not consistent, who's supposed to commit and who's supposed to be consistent? Now, if you're lucky enough and you have some consistency in your business, let me tell you what to do with that right now. Is you appreciate every piece of business that comes through as if it's your last piece of business, as if that job depends on your future, because it does. This is all about you committing to be consistent. It comes over time. Everything comes over time. I'll say it 1,000 times in this video. If you're frustrated, if you're doubtful, if you're uncertain, if you plan on giving up, or if you're about to give up, stop it, relax, take a step back, write a plan, figure out what is working for you, figure out what's not working for you, figure out how to commit more, how to increase your commitment. The problem with your business right now, the problem with most issues in your life is a lack of commitment. If Facebook's not working, if Instagram's not working, if your phone calls aren't working, if your emails aren't working, it all needs to be reworked. That's what comes over time. Trial and error and learning and growing and becoming. You have to continue. You cannot quit. The easiest thing to do is quit, and what do you get out of it? Terrible results, because nothing grows. So you have to have faith. You have to keep going. You have to keep learning. You have to keep changing. Don't keep putting out the same stuff over and over. You have to change. You have to alter. You know what that's called? It's called being a little lazy. Don't be lazy, be a little creative, try something new, be bold, go to the other side of your fears. If you're afraid to post something that you think is good, that you believe in, post it. Continue your journey of creativity to learn, produce, and create. This is what you owe to your business. This is what your business is asking of you. It's asking you do something, please. It's asking you to do something, please. So it's up to you. Wake up every day and say, what can I do for my business? How much more can I commit? How much better can I be at being consistent? And do I really believe that all this will come over time? Look back in your past, in your other jobs, in your journey, in anything that turned out good. Did it come over time? It came over time. Is it easy? No. Is it possible? Yes. Who's it up to? You. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Am I too rough? Is this too aggressive? Or is this spot on? I wouldn't give it to you if I didn't think it was spot on, but you're entitled to your opinion. Let me know what you think. Share this video. I hope you can help somebody with it. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. My name's Steve Gerardo. You're watching the Mobile Notary Network. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Notary Professionals, and follow my Instagram page, Steve Gerardo78, where I share everything good about life. Have a great day, everybody.